Welcome to Wordscience. Today, we will learn a new English word through an amazing story from Indian history. The word is appoint. Let's discover what it means through the life of a great emperor. What does appoint mean? When you appoint someone, you choose them for a special job or task. You give them responsibility. You trust them to do important work. It's like selecting the right person for the right job. Long ago, there was a powerful emperor in India. His name was Ashoka. He lived more than 2000 years ago. Ashoka ruled a very big empire. His empire covered most of India. He was one of the greatest rulers in Indian history. Ashoka had a very big job. He had to take care of millions of people. He had to make sure everyone was safe and happy. He had to manage cities, villages, roads, and armies. This was too much work for one person. Ashoka needed help. He needed good people to work with him. So, what did Ashoka do? He appointed officials. This means he chose special people to help him rule. He gave them important jobs. He trusted them to work in different parts of his empire. These officials became his helpers and leaders. Why did Ashoka appoint these officials? There were many good reasons. First, he wanted to share the work. One person cannot do everything alone. Second, he wanted to manage his empire better. Different people could focus on different tasks. Third, he wanted to keep peace and order everywhere. Good officials could solve problems quickly. Who did Ashoka appoint? He appointed many different types of officials. He appointed governors to rule different regions. He appointed tax collectors to manage money. He appointed judges to solve disputes fairly. He appointed officers to spread his message of peace and kindness. Each person had a special role. What happened after Ashoka appointed these officials? His empire became stronger. People were happier because problems were solved faster. The officials worked hard in their jobs. They helped spread Ashoka's ideas of peace, respect, and non-violence. The empire grew peaceful and well-organized. Ashoka's appointments made a big difference. We still use the word appoint today. When a company chooses a new manager, they appoint that person. When a school chooses a head student, they appoint them. When a government chooses ministers, they appoint them. Appointing means choosing someone you trust for an important job. Let's remember what we learned today. The word appoint means to choose someone for a job or task. Emperor Ashoka appointed officials to help him rule his big empire. These appointments made his empire stronger and more peaceful. Now you know how to use this word. Thank you for learning with Wordscience. We hope you enjoyed this story about Emperor Ashoka and the word appoint. Keep practicing your English with us. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting stories and new words. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep growing.